Howdy, y'all. Today I'm bringing you an opportunity down in Cleveland, Tennessee for a USDA eligible property. What that means for you is you're going to get your government mortgage interest rate at a 0% required down payment. And also, we've got a way for you to save up to $500 on the payment in your first year of making mortgage payments. The next cool thing is this is not what you'd think of as a traditional USDA property. It's a neighborhood. It's got an HOA. It's got a very traditional suburban feel, which is great for a family environment. Let's get into it. All right, y'all, here it is. 470 Thoroughbred Drive Northwest up in Cleveland. And as we're looking through it, traditional 2007 build, has a lot of the hallmarks of that. We've got this nice, airy, open room here. Place is big, 2,100 square foot, 4-bed, 2.5 bath. Love the look of this. Let's talk about the payment on it. So at a common interest rate right now, you can expect your regular permanent payment to be $2,600, $2,800. Now, whenever I give you a total payment, I'm including taxes, insurance, and your USDA guarantee fee. Okay. And with this program that I'm talking about to temporarily drop down the interest rate, that's going to drop that payment to a range of $2,100, $2,300 a month. At this sale price of $375, that's a really solid payment these days. Still feels a little scary, but it's actually in a really good spot. Year two, you're going to come up to $2,350 to $2,550. There is one hitch in the giddy up with this. USDA has a housing payment restriction that, and you also have an income limit, a maximum that you can qualify for USDA. So trying to thread the needle between making USDA happy for what your total mortgage payment is and also not making too much money is puts us in a narrow band. You have to make, in general, about $96,000 a year to qualify, but you can't make any more than $103,500 a year per USDA rules. But there are quite a few folks, like if you're both making $50,000 a year, you're right in that spot. Now, realistically, the biggest candidate for this home, again, is the large home, 4-bed, 2.5 bath. If you have 5 or more household members, that income limit for the household raises to $136,000 a year. Much easier to hit and a much larger band of qualification. But one thing I want you all to take away, even if you're listening to this and you don't hit that income band, don't freak out. We just need to go FHA, which would be around a $50 a month higher payment. And also you need to put 3.5% down. We could also go, if you're a military member or retired military, we could also go a VA, which would actually drop the payment probably by about $50. And also you wouldn't pay any mortgage insurance over the life of it. Both of those would be perfect opportunities for this home. It's a newer build. Shouldn't have, as far as I can tell from the property, no issues with a government appraisal. Actually kind of excited to see this thing come up there. The realtor on this is Adam Petty. He's a real good dude. Talked to him several times before. Talked to him about this property. And I really think there's a really good opportunity here to finance using rural financing, kind of a suburban home, which is really unique.